won the Alaskan Airmen's 2021 Raffle Cub, and can't be any more tickled. It's quite an aircraft. Probably one of the most easy aircrafts I ever flew as far as controlling it and stuff. It flies like a sports car in the air. The performance of it is amazing. Steve Williams did one heck of a job on this airplane. It's an amazing piece of equipment, that's for sure. The seats are probably the most comfortable seats I've sat in any kind of off-airport aircraft. They're amazing. It's comfortable. The fit and finish of the whole aircraft, the detailed attention to detail is just amazing. I'm so stoked about it. I still don't even know how to describe it all, but it's quite a dream come true. I'm sure there's going to be lots of things that will probably land and take in the beauty of the country we're about to cross. My first aircraft was a Cessna 170B bush plane. That was a great plane. I sold it about 3 years ago to move up into a Beechcraft Bonanza A36, and that's just not my style of flying. I wanted to get back into a fat tire airplane. I've been looking at several other Super Cubs and actually went down the week before they told me I won this one to look at one in Douglas, Wyoming, and now I don't have the need to look for one anymore because the one found me. So it's quite a deal.
So how about your friends and family? Were they pretty excited for you?
Yeah, when I told them that day that the person on the phone just told me I won an airplane, nobody believed me for a minute. Till I showed them the live feed. But yeah, it's like a dream come true. It's like winning the lottery, only in a better way. Yesterday's maiden flight with John Birchwood, works for Steve Williams at Acme Cubs, was just an amazing experience. I can't say enough about John and his skills. He's quite a skilled aviator, and he made learning how to operate that new airplane just so much enjoyable. And I learned a lot of things from him and what that plane can and can't do. And just an amazing day with John flying that around. Kudos to you, John. Thanks a bunch.